In this video, I will show you how to split table using shortcut in Microsoft Word. So guys, you want to split your table in multiple. So guys, if you want to split your table using shortcut, so select table rows from where you want to split. Like I want to split this table in two parts. So select the second part. Now press Shift Alt down arrow. So this way you can split your table. And it's a shortcut Shift plus Alt plus down arrow. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.